Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about drying hydrangea. It's actually quite easy, but there are different varieties. The native varieties that get leathery, that you see maybe outside, if you live in hydrangea land, those will dry just wonderfully. Leave them in a vessel of water and let them drink until they quit drinking, and they'll dry and they stay full, lush, and keep their color. The softer varieties that you see more in commercial uses, the blues, the greens, the whites, they actually do better to hydrate fully, let them be happy. Then take them and hang them upside down. That way the heads don't get squished. And let them dry that way. Once they're dry, then you can turn them over and design any way you would like. Now you know how the pros do it.